We found some great flight awards on AeroMexico, but you don't hear much about their program, and we weren't sure what their business class experience would be. We were, however, pleasantly surprised. This is Travel Award Search with a review of AeroMexico Business Class. So we'll review the experience on AeroMexico's business class, and our cute tabby Clem will help us with the summary of key points toward the end. We flew from Santiago, Chile to Houston, Texas, going through Mexico City, all in business class. We'll tell you later a little bit more about how we booked it. It was a Dreamliner with a 1-2-1 configuration with quite comfortable seating. It probably had the nicest amenity kit we've seen in a long time. It had the typical slippers, earplugs, a pretty fashionable eye shade, toothbrush, toothpaste, but it also had some items that are typically missing. It had a comb, mouthwash, perfume, a notebook, and a pen in a very nice little bag. The entertainment system was good. The screen was adequate but not huge. It had movies and TV shows and audio, and it was nice that the menu was also on the screen. I did not notice games, although I typically don't look for them, but I didn't notice them in the menu. The movie selection was quite good, and they had very substantial and well-functioning headphones that I liked. The bedding on the flight was extremely comfortable with a fairly thick mattress pad that fits snugly over the seat back, a nice fluffy pillow, and a soft, good-sized comforter. It's probably the best bedding we've ever had, which really surprised me. The seat controls were quite good, although lie flat was the important one on this flight that left at 11:20 p.m. The dinner menu is displayed here. I can't tell you much about it because I was more interested in the lie flat bed and going right to sleep, which is what I did. Service during the flight was very good. I accidentally hit my flight attendant call button and was immediately asked if I needed anything. And shortly thereafter, another flight attendant came to ask me if I needed anything. So they were very attentive. Breakfast was very good with options of salmon on a bagel, French toast, or an omelet. I had the omelet, which was nice, along with some fruit and, of course, coffee. The one downside in the configuration is that there are only 2 bathrooms to service the business class cabin, but the bathrooms were very nice and noticeably clean. I think they actually cleaned them during the flight. We were very excited to be able to get these reward flights for 100,000 AeroMexico rewards points. We transferred American Express membership rewards points in order to do that, and because they transfer at a 1.6 ratio, and there was an additional 20% bonus when we did it, we only had to use a total of 105,000 American Express rewards points for these 2 business class tickets from Santiago through Mexico City to Houston, all in business and first class. There is a trick to finding and redeeming awards on AeroMexico. Sometimes it blocks you. So take a look at our video on how to do that in order to know the tricks. It's certainly worthwhile because this flight, compared to a direct flight between Houston and Santiago on United for 175,000 points, and that was almost a year in advance when we were looking at booking it. So now let's look at a summary of this AeroMexico business class review. Time for key points, Clem. So the bedding on the flight was the best we've ever had, which is saying a lot. It was very comfortable with the very nice mattress pad. It also had the nicest amenity kit that we've seen. The entertainment system was very good. The screen could have been a little bit bigger, but overall, very good. Service was excellent, with them appearing very quickly when I accidentally hit the call button. I can't really comment on the food for dinner. Based on the food for breakfast, I rated it 4 stars. And the value for this flight, I would certainly rate as 5 stars. So overall, we rate AeroMexico's business class as 4.5 stars. This has been Wandering Woman and Clem with Travel Award Search. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like or a share and check out our website at, you guessed it, travelawardsearch.com. As always, travel wisely, travel well. Thank you.